Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in UAE. Let's see the working interview and other available vacancies on today. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new updates with a notification and kindly press like button to motivate me for regular videos. Let's see the working interview conducting on tomorrow at 20th May at timing 3 p.m. at Al Najma Al Farida International Facilities Management Services LLC. Vacancies are HVAC technician, MEP technician. Requirements are minimum 2 to 3 year experience is required. Minimum ITI qualification also required. Location comes at Sonapur Camp, Dubai. If you cannot attend the interview on time, you can send your resume by email amir@alfaridagroupintl.com. You can contact 055 899 8627. Next working interview conducting on 23rd May, timing 9 a.m. at Talabat Mark, UAE. Vacancies are store supervisor and assistant store supervisor. Requirements are you must have 5 to 7 year experience in FMCG industry. Submit your application using below link mentioned in the description. Please note that no candidate will be allowed in the office without a confirmed interview slot or email confirmation. Next vacancy is at Hills and Fort Construction LLC, Dubai. Vacancies are project manager, construction manager, project engineer, senior project engineer, site engineer, and senior site engineer. Requirement is minimum 3 year experience is required for above positions. Send your resume by email hr@hfc.ae. Next vacancy is at Quick Parking Company LLC, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for valet driver. Requirement is previous valet driving experience in UAE is required. Send your resume by email info@quickparkingco.com. Next vacancy is at KTC International LLC, Dubai. The vacancy is for electronics technicians. Requirement is minimum 1 to 2 year experience or freshers with good communication. Salary will be 2,500 dirham to 3,000 dirham including room. Send your resume by email careers@ktcco.net. Next vacancy is at Royal Catering Services LLC, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are kitchen technician, chef the party Arabic section or Khaliji food, sushi maker, receptionist, vehicle driver, female housekeeping supervisor, and female VIP hostess. Send your resume by email recruitment@royalcatering.ae. Next vacancy is at Expresso, Itisalat Premium Channel Partner in Dubai. Vacancy is for Avaya Sales Specialist. Requirement is knowledge of Avaya product and solutions are plus. Send your resume by email info@expresso.ae. Next vacancy is at Marina Facilities Management, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for bellboys. Requirements are diploma in hospitality or vocational training as certificate. Minimum 2 year experience is required as well. Send your resume by email mfm.career@nicue.ae. Next vacancy is at Al Asif Group, Dubai. The vacancy is for masons, block, plaster, and tiles. Salary will be 1,200 plus accommodation. The next vacancy is general helpers. Salary will be 800 plus accommodation. Send your resume by email info@alasifgroup.com. Next vacancy is at GHK Properties LLC, UAE. The vacancy is for sales agent. Requirement is experience in labor camp business, knowledge of RERA rules. Send your resume by email hr@ghkprop.com. Next vacancy is at Abdul Rahim Architectural Consultant, UAE. The vacancies are document controller, senior architect with more than 10 year experience, resident engineer, architectural draftsman, architect BM modeler, contracts manager, quantity surveyor cum contract administrator, mechanical site engineer, electrical engineer, and civil inspector. You can apply your application through www.aracomi.com. Next vacancy is at Dubai Duty Free, UAE. There is a vacancy registration is starting DDF careers registration. The reference number is 1291. You can apply through careers.dubai.duty-free website. Next vacancy is at Etihad Airways, UAE. The vacancies are material inspector, Salesforce business analyst, business solution specialist, OD and rewards manager, export control officer, loyalty strategy manager, schedules planning analyst, UX or UI designer, HR manager, and loyalty engagement officer. You can apply through careers.etihad.com. Next vacancy is at Sterling Performs, Dubai. The vacancy is for travel coordinator. Send your resume by email spihr@sterling.ae. Next vacancy in UAE is for accountant come office admin. Requirement is minimum 2-year experience and knowledge on Tally and Excel. Send your resume by email recruitment.rct@gmail.com. Next vacancy in a real estate company, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for an accountant. Send your resume by WhatsApp 050-144-3511. Next vacancy is at Max Logistics UAE. The vacancy is for customer service representative. Salary will be 2,500 to 3,000 dirham. Send your resume by email careers@max-logistics.com. Next vacancy is at Amity International School, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are Head of Department in English, Postgraduate Teacher in Fine Arts, Curriculum and Innovation Coordinator, Activities Coordinator. Send your resume by email careers@amitydubai.ae. Next vacancy is at Adams Care Technical Services, Dubai. The vacancy is for Assistant Accounts Manager. Requirements are certified with CPA, ACCA, and CA. 3 to 5 year experience is required. Salary will be 8,000 to 10,000 dirham. Send your resume by email marketing@adamscare.ae. Next vacancy in Adam Care Technical Services is Accounts Manager. Requirements are certified with CPA, ACCA, or CA. 5 to 8 year experience is required. Salary will be 12,000 to 15,000 dirhams. Send your resume by email marketing@adamscare.ae. Next vacancy is at Adams Care Technical Services for Finance Manager. Requirements are certified with CPA, ACCA, or CA. 5 to 8 year experience is required. Salary will be 13,000 to 15,000 dirham. Send your resume by email marketing@adamscare.ae. Next vacancy is at Murkob, Dubai. Vacancies for an accountant. Requirements are certified with CPA, ACCA, or CA. 3 to 5 year experience is required. Salary will be 7,000 to 8,000 dirham. Send your resume by email g.ayub@morkob.com. Next vacancy is at Adsamsi, Dubai. Vacancy is for an accountant. Requirements are certified with CPA, ACCA, CA. 5 to 7 year experience is required. Salary will be 7,000 to 8,000 dirham. Send your resume by email careers@adsamsi.com. Next vacancy is at ILS Group, Dubai. The vacancy for Chartered Accountant. Requirements are certified with CPA, ACCA, or CA. 5 to 6 year experience is required. Salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 dirham. Send your resume by email nayak.louis@ils-group.com. Next vacancy is at Buffalo, Dubai. The vacancy is for Portfolio Manager. Requirements are certified with CFA. 4 to 7 year experience is required. Salary will be 15,000 to 20,000 dirham. Send your resume by email anju@buffalo.com. Next vacancy is at Buffalo, Dubai for property consultant. Requirements are 3 to 4 year experience is required. Salary will be 4,000 to 7,000 dirham. Send your resume by email anju@buffalo.com. Next vacancy is at Buffalo, Dubai. The vacancy is for a chartered accountant. Requirements are 3 to 5 year experience is required. Salary will be 8,000 to 10,000 dirham. Send your resume by email anju@buffalo.com. Next vacancy is at Buffalo, Dubai for billing executive and accountant. 1 to 2 year experience is required. Salary will be 4,000 to 5,000 dirham. Send your resume by email anju@buffalo.com. Next vacancy is at Everest City Mobiles, UAE. Vacancies are mobile and laptop sales, mobile and laptop technician, delivery boys, video editors for social media. Send your resume by WhatsApp 054-252-7931. Next vacancy in Dubai is sales administrator. Requirements are 1 year experience in rental heavy vehicle. Salary will be 4,000 to 5,000 dirham. Send your resume by email joyline@onepointui.com. Next vacancy in Sharjah is for a male tailor for ladies clothing. Experienced tailor required. Send your resume by email tasneemabaya@gmail.com, by WhatsApp 056-708-7928. Next vacancy in UAE for electrical draftsman. You can contact 050 984 9199. Next vacancy in Abu Dhabi for salesperson. Requirement is 2-year FMCG experience is required. You can contact 052 397 0962. Next vacancy in Al Ain Cafeteria for juice and sandwich maker. Must speak in Arabic and English. You can contact 055 449 8774. Thanks for watching my channel Jobs in UAE. Don't forget to subscribe to get daily UAE job vacancies.